Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio device in this 2019 Mercedes Benz E Class. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. As you can see, I've got rather a lot of things, accessories and cars connected to mine, but we're watching out at the bottom. Then we go over here and we go to the menu button, the home button. So click on home. Then using the rotary control along to telephone, click the rotary control to select telephone, and it's already come up on connect to new device. That's what we want. So connect to new device is highlighted, so we click on that, and then we click start search on the system. It's always better to do it on the system, as the system to your phone rather than phone's a system, because it generates a random pin and you just have to click to accept. So that's it. Barry's iPhone 11, click on that to accept. Watching out at the bottom, it's generated a random pin. Is it the same one? Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And there we go. Mercedes Benz Bluetooth 56937 connected. That's it. That's how you do it.